In today's video, I will show you how to disable Google Messages on Android. While Google Messages is incredibly popular because it uses modern RCS technology to bring features like typing indicators and read receipts to Android, there are plenty of times you might want to switch to a different texting app or just quiet your notifications. It is a good thing to know that Android requires at least one app to handle your incoming texts, so before you can actually turn off Google Messages, you must assign a new app to handle your text messages. To start, open your settings. Once on the settings homepage, use the search bar at the top to search for default apps and click it from the results. Then, find the option for SMS app, click it, and then select your alternative messaging choice instead of Google Messages. Once Google Messages is no longer the default SMS app, it becomes much easier to restrict. Go back to your home page and find the Google Messages app icon. Then tap and hold it for a moment. From the little menu that pops up, select App Info. On this management page, look for the option to disable the app. Now, a quick note to keep in mind is that if the disable button is grayed out, it means Google Messages is built in as a critical system app on your specific device. In this case, you cannot completely remove it, but you can simply keep it deactivated by leaving another app as your default and ignoring the Google app. And that's it. That's how you disable Google Messages on Android.